Welcome to our Niko-Biko World. Like, share, and subscribe for more magical adventures.
I hungry! Give me more toys!
It's a jungle in here, Biko. I can't even find the floor. Who needs a floor when you have a pillow mountain? Whee! Meow?
Watch out, kids! The messy room monster is waking up!
Grandpa, is that really a monster?
I hungry! Give me more toys!
"6 minutes? The monster will eat us by then!
Kids, I'm coming up in 6 minutes to check your room.
The only way to shrink a messy monster is to put things back where they belong.
Mission Room Rescue! Biko, you take the blocks, I'll take the clothes. Whoa! Watch out for the rope tail! Into the box, little soldiers! Your fort is waiting!
My arm! My beautiful plastic arm! No! My arm! My beautiful plastic arm! No!
Now, garbage belongs in the bin. Give me those! I need them for soccer tomorrow! My bow! You're a thief, Mr. Monster!
Duck and cover.
Nice try, Messi, but I was a pillow fight champion in 1960.
3 minutes left, children. I hope I see a clean floor.
Faster, Biko! Use the double basket toss! Got it! 1, 2, 3. Perfect! I also ordered saving toy.
Last piece of the puzzle.
Stinky! We did it! The monster is gone! Fine, it's a dignity.
Oh my. This isn't a bedroom, it's a palace.
The messy monster was no match for Team Niko-Biko!
I am so proud of you both. Since it's so clean, who wants ice cream?
Don't even think about it, little guy. Not today.
Keeping the room clean is actually way easier than fighting a monster every day.
And much tastier.
Remember, a clean space makes a happy heart. Cleanliness is a habit of champions, and when we work together, even the biggest chores become easy.
Hey, is your room a palace or a monster's den now? Tell us in the comments. See you next time for more adventures!